So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you Niagara Falls from the US side. What are the things you can see from here, what are the prices to see those things, where to get the best view of the falls. Everything will be shared in this video, so make sure to watch this video till then, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure to subscribe it. Actually Niagara Falls are three different falls. One is American Falls, one is Horseshoe Falls of Canada, and the third one is Bridal Valley Falls. So guys, here is the map of Niagara Falls, New York. Over here you will see American Falls, and over here you will see Horseshoe Falls of Canada. Here you will see two parts of Niagara Falls State Park. One is just near the city, and one is like an island, which is Goat Island of Niagara Falls State Park. It is another part of Niagara Falls State Park. So here you will also see Luna Island, Three Sisters Island, and Terrapin Point is just near the Horseshoe Falls of Canada. Then you will also see Top of the Falls restaurant over here. Cave of the Winds is also on Goat Island, and you will also see Maid of the Mist on another part of Niagara Falls State Park, and observation tower is also over there. So slowly we'll be exploring the whole area. Here are all the hours and rates of Cave of the Winds, Maid of the Mist, Niagara Scenic Trolley, Aquarium of Niagara, and Top of the Falls are mentioned. So currently we are standing near the American Falls, and over there you can see this is Canada. Here is Niagara City Cruises, which is part of Canada side. Here is the observation tower where you can see beautiful view of Niagara Falls from the US side, and over there is a bridge. See, that bridge over there is the border of USA and Canada. This is the cruise which is bridge from US side. Name is Maid of the Mist, and we will be doing this today. As you can see, everyone has wore raincoats. So if you have bought the ticket of Maid of the Mist, you will also get entry to observation deck. If you haven't bought the tickets online, you can buy the tickets from here. The prices are mentioned over here. So the prices are adult $30.25, child $19.75, and if you want to see only observation deck, the prices are $1.25. Children 5 and under receive a free ticket with paid adult. First boat goes at 9 am and last boat at 8 pm. Departure at every 30 minutes. So here Canadian currency is not accepted, and here it is also written that large suitcases, bags and wagons are not permitted on this facility. So this is the ticket we have bought of Maid of the Mist. Let's show you the view. So I think first we'll go to Maid of the Mist. Over here you can see this is the Rainbow Bridge, border between USA and Canada. Maids of the Mist. So we have got this raincoat. First you have to wear this. Here is American Falls, this is Bridal Falls, and over there is Horseshoe Falls. Here is Cave of the Winds. Now we are going up on the observation deck. It was really nice. So now we are at the observation deck. Where there is the USA and Canada. You can rent a bike also over here and roam around the park. The second option is by walking, and the third option is by taking trolley. And the fourth option also, you can say, is by coming here on your personal vehicle. Parking is available here also on Gota. If you are not an American citizen, you must have Canada visa to visit on that side also. So these falls you are seeing over here is American Falls, and over there is Horseshoe Falls of Canada. So now we are crossing a pedestrian bridge to reach Goat Island and see Cave of the Winds, Terrapin Point, Luna Island, Three Sister Islands. So let's go. And you also get to see the best view of Horseshoe Falls. So this island you are seeing over here is Green Island. It is like on the middle of the bridge, the pedestrian bridge to see Horseshoe Falls. On the US side, you see more smaller islands are also there, but nothing to see over there on those islands. So now we have arrived here at the Goat Island of Niagara Falls State Park, USA. So this park has been maintained very nicely. Cleanliness is there. So this is the starting point of Cave of the Winds. If you have bought the ticket of Cave of the Winds, then you can enter inside. And if you haven't bought ticket, you can buy tickets from here. No entry is without ticket here. These are the price of Cave of the Winds. Adult $23. Are included of tax?
Yeah.
Okay. So these prices are included of tax, as you can see here. Ages 5 and under are free. There is a separate ticket for Cave of the Winds, and there is a separate ticket for Maid of the Mist and Observation Deck. You can also take trolley over here. Adult price is $5 and child price is $3. So the Niagara Scenic Trolley starts at So we can finally see the Horseshoe Falls of Canada from here, and currently we are going towards Terrapin Point. You will see many different rainbows near the falls. So I've also come here at that time of the year when the weather is really great. If you come here most of the time, the weather is very cold. So it might be tough for you to stand over here. And also currently it's morning, so the weather is really pleasant. So we have reached at Terrapin Point Horseshoe Falls. That is Horseshoe Falls, and one more point you will see over here. You can go till there. Such a beautiful rainbow is over here. So you can use these binoculars by putting 25 cents in. Only 25 cents. Once the sun goes, the rainbow disappears. So this is the Terrapin Point. You can visit here for free. No such entry charges to visit here. perfect rainbow. You can see the droplets of water. This is all the mist coming from here by the flow of wind and flow of water. So this river you are seeing over here is Niagara River, and this is the Horseshoe Falls of Canada. So I have shown you the terrapin point. It was such a nice point. You won't get such beautiful views, I think, from the Canadian side. Canadian side is also very nice. So that falls you are seeing over there is American Falls, and just below the American Falls you will see Cave of the Wind. So many people are there with raincoats. See, this is the Cave of the Wind just near the American Falls.
It'd be nice if you just shut the water off a little bit, look at the face of it, see what it is, and it always changes because that'll wear out. That rock will fall someday. There's white. They're doing the colors fast up there. It's crazy. That's a good camera.